So today's video is just one of our usual videos of the kittens playing with the feather toy. You can see Jackie and Oogie jumping and leaping. You can see them doing their little cute somersaults. And if you watch towards the end, Oogie Boogie gives it her best to grab that feather toy and show it who's boss. Also, there's a little bit of cat tree action in this one, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks, and have a perfect day.